Right, good morning mga Katimbol Vlogs. Welcome sa isa na ng video bus check. But before that, time check muna tayo. 7:24 in the morning, May 7, 2024, Tuesday here in Wellington, New Zealand. So ang naring bus ngayon ay si bus number 5729 with registration plate number NCZ 987. It will expire on January 17, 2025. Good. Mga old damage. It's old damage. So, good. Brand new tires. This is very good. And old damage. Old body damages. Brand new tires. Good. All good. Old damage. And powered by Milk Run. All damages. Alright. Good. Ay, ang lamig na dito ngayon, mga Katimbol Vlogs. Super lamig na. So, all good. Nakalimutan ko palang i-put up yung school signs natin, mga Timbol Vlog. Yun muna natin yung mga ilaw. So let's put up the school signs now. Yeah. School, yeah. Tayo sa likod. Let's put up the school signs, okay? So, all good. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay, until next video bus vlog. Paalam!